Mikey Plums here with another Jews with Screws tool review. We got the cross line laser beam, self-leveling, whatever, the BOSCH. This is the green one, 100 feet. This thing's really nice. You can have the laser, it gives you, cross beam. If you want just the regular horizontal, if you want just the vertical, you can do that. It has all them cool options. So this thing's pretty nice because the green you can actually see further than the red. It comes with a carrying case, comes with a mount adjustment to where we'll show you here, it's magnetic or it's clip-on. So you take this part off. I think I went the wrong way. You take this part off, and then that's magnetic. This screws onto the bottom of the laser, which is cool. And then we'll screw it on here. And it's actually a clip. You could do a clip on too. You can clip it onto something like an I-beam or whatever. So once you screw that on, slide it in here. And you adjust this. Hold on, it didn't go in right. There we go. All right, you can adjust it. You can clip this on and then adjust your laser as well. The only downfall is this clip's not that big. You can only really clip it on something skinny. And then also, it seems like it runs out of battery quicker than like my other laser level. But it's definitely a lot higher visibility, further distance.
What kind of battery is it? You got to plug it into its own?
Nah, they're double A's.
Double A battery.
So they have this, whatever they call this. I don't know. I ain't ever gonna use it, but it is a laser target. So you want to put this somewhere, I guess, on a wall, and then hit your laser right on there. You use that, but it's pretty nice. Like I said, it's definitely a lot brighter than the red ones. But I definitely suggest it as a plunger rating. I'll give it a 4 out of 5.